Hi everyone, here is my other store. This is my other client store. 39 sales, 83 active listings. We started 1 month ago. Account is almost new, so just in 1 month you can see the results. New account, as I always told you that new account running very slow, but still we got good reviews, good sales, good orders. But when accounts getting in a older like second month, sales getting boost up, and we're getting good profit, good sales. Let's join our journey. We will make amazing results on your store. Just in few days you will see sales on your store, and it's 100% organic sales. No need marketing budget, no need marketing. It's 100% original and genuine sales. We are also providing some other services. I have strong portfolio, 5-star reviews, and even we managed around 200 plus accounts, Etsy accounts. We have also running stores. We also have a great portfolio. So let's join our journey. We will bring amazing results on your store. Thank you.